Welcome to Fastlane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Today, we're diving into the world of cloud computing and discussing the three main models. If you're new to the cloud or looking to transition your business, this is a must-watch clip for you. First, let's break down the basics. IaaS stands for Infrastructure as a Service, PaaS stands for Platform as a Service, and SaaS stands for Software as a Service. Essentially, IaaS is like renting a house. You have control over the infrastructure and are responsible for maintaining it. PaaS is like renting an apartment. You have some control over the platform, but the provider handles updates and maintenance. And SaaS is like staying in a hotel. You have access to the software, but the provider takes care of everything else. So, which model should you choose? Well, it depends on your business needs and goals. If you have a complex IT infrastructure and want complete control over it, IaaS may be the way to go. But keep in mind, this also means you have to manage and maintain it, which can be time-consuming and costly. On the other hand, if you're a developer looking to build and deploy applications quickly, PaaS may be a better fit. With PaaS, you have access to pre-built tools and resources, making it easier to focus on developing your applications rather than managing the infrastructure. Lastly, if you're a small business or individual looking for an affordable and hassle-free option, SaaS is the way to go. With SaaS, you can access software on a pay-per-use basis, saving you the cost of purchasing and maintaining licenses. But here's the key insight. You don't have to choose just one model. In fact, many businesses use a combination of all three. For example, you may use IaaS for your core infrastructure, PaaS for developing and deploying applications, and SaaS for specific software needs. This allows for flexibility and cost effectiveness. So what's the bottom line? When deciding which cloud model to choose, consider your business needs, goals, and budget. And remember, you don't have to limit yourself to just one model. A combination of IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS may be the perfect fit for your business. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. Subscribe for more, and be sure to check out our other videos on cloud computing and other tech topics. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.